Camtasia Studio has some built-in audio enhancement features to help give you the best possible audio for your produced video. Sometimes the audio that you record may be good enough, and other times it may need some help. For example, the audio may contain some background noise from a computer fan or nearby heating unit. Or if audio was recorded at separate times or by different people, then the volume levels may sound uneven. Whatever the case, you can always find the audio tools under the Audio tab. You'll first want to make sure that the global settings are expanded. Here's where you'll find features for leveling out volume, removing noise, and voice optimization. There are also a number of editing tools that allow you to fade audio in and out on the timeline, as well as silence a selection. I encourage you to play around with each of these features to see how they work. But for this particular tutorial, we'll focus on how to remove noise to improve the overall quality of your audio. Noise in this sense is referring to background noise, like a humming noise from your computer or fan noise from a nearby vent. Unfortunately, it won't remove noise from doors slamming or dogs barking. To enable noise removal on your timeline, just check this box. A selection is made on the timeline which is looking for background noise. Noise removal is then applied to all audio tracks on the timeline. The waveform on the audio track changes to a reddish color, which lets you know that noise removal has been applied. Double-click anywhere on the timeline to reposition the playhead. Then play back the video and listen to see if the audio sounds better. You may want to uncheck this box and return to the original audio to play it back and see if you can hear a difference. Checking and unchecking this box allows you to toggle back and forth to preview the changes in audio. Click to expand the Advanced menu to see some additional options. If you can't hear a difference, or if there's a noticeable distortion in the audio when using the automatic noise removal, then you can try to remove noise manually. You'll first need to make a selection on the timeline in an area when you're not talking. You don't want to select a portion of your voice, or it will think that your voice is background noise and try to remove it. Once a selection is made, click the Use Manual Noise Selection button to apply it to the timeline. Double-click to position the playhead somewhere on the timeline and play back the video to see if the audio has improved. It's your call whether to keep the feature enabled or not, depending on which one you think sounds better. But hopefully you'll find this feature helpful in improving the overall quality of your audio. This is the final editing tutorial for this Getting Started series, and it's time to produce your Camtasia project into a shareable video format. Check out the next tutorial in this series that will walk you through the custom production settings.